Hello children. Today we are going to learn about set theory. Before studying the set theory in detail, we have to know the basic concepts related with set theory. I put it as vocabulary. Okay. So here we are having 9 slides. Out of these 9 slides, some of the things are going to be 2-3 slides are related with examples. So basic concepts only we are going to discuss. Okay. The first slides we are having 5 words: a set, the element, subset, empty set, universal set. So set is a collection of all objects. The collection of well-defined object is known as set. In the set, each and every object is termed as element. In a set, every object in a set is known as element. Okay. And if you are taking some elements and putting into a braces, then it's going to be called as subset. If the subset or the set is empty, there is no element between the braces. You are putting one braces, the left and right hand sides, the symbols, and with no element, then it's going to be called as empty set or universal set. Meanwhile, if you are collecting all the possible elements and putting into the braces, then it's going to be called as universal set. So, what do you mean by set? What is element? What is subset? What is empty set? And what is universal set? You got it from the first slide. The second slide gives an example about it. So, set is a collection of all objects, isn't it? Here we are taking the object as integer. Integer, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the collection of all integers, the object is known as a set. And every number, 1 is an element, 2 is an element, 3 is an element, so 4 is an element. And if you want to make a subset, you can take any numbers. Here I selected 3, 4, 5, 6 and putting into the braces, then it's going to be called as a subset. I named as B. So the set of all integers 1 to 6 lying between 1 to 6 is known as universal set. So the concept A set, element, a subset and universal set is clear. I hope you understand that concept. Now we are moving to some special case, empty set, null set. Already I told you how to make or how to write in symbolically means the pi. Pi is nothing but you have to put one round and cut the round, that is known as pi, or you are making a braces with the empty without any elements, then it's going to be called as empty set or null set. And to denote the universal set, you have to put the word U, the capital letter U, then it's going to be termed as universal set. Okay, we will have an example. So here you can take your classmates and all the students at 2017 batch medical students, then it's going to be termed as U, the symbol. And if you take only the students from Tamil Nadu putting into as braces, then it can be called as a subset. I named as A. Suppose you take the girls alone from the medical batch of 2017 and putting into the braces, then it's termed as B. And if you take the boys alone and putting into the braces, then it's going to be called as C. Okay. And one more example, if you want to find the subsets, here I am taking 3, 4, 5 as an element, and null set is a subset. 3 alone is a subset. 4 alone is a subset, but you have to put it inside the braces. And you can take any 2 elements or any 3 elements. The whole set, it's a subset. 3, 4, 5, the whole set is also a subset. So, understanding the concept clearly and moving to another new word, that is a complement. A dash, a complement. What do you mean by a complement or a dash? Means in the universal set, suppose A is a subset and the element in A should not, or it should not going to be in the remaining. After taking out all the elements from A, then what is remaining in the universal set, that is going to be called as A dash. So A complement or not A is the set of all elements which is not in A. So from the universal set, you are taking from the universal set and you are going to find out which is not in the another one. And here an example make you to be clear. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the same example, it's a universal set and A is 2, 3 is a subset. Then A dash is going to be, what are the elements in A? 2 and 3. The elements which are not in A means 1, 4, 5. So A dash is 1, 4, 5. You have to put it into a braces. And the another example, U equal to AB, it's a universal set, the whole set. In that, you can have the another name, universal set can be called as whole set, WHOLE, whole set. So in that subset T equal to A element alone, then the T dash equal to B, which is not in T, then you can put it into braces. So the another universal set, it's with all operational mathematical operation like plus, minus, multiplication, division and equal. If it is a universal set and the subset is going to be A with division and equal, then the A dash equal to, you have to write into braces. The first element is going to be plus, the second element minus, the third element is multiplication. Plus, minus and multiplication are the answer for that. Similarly, you can take another example, example like you can make into your own practice. Here is another concept. It's related with intersection and union. So what are the common elements? If you want to study, means you can